We are the first generation in all of human history to have access to powerful, general-purpose AI tools. Generative AI and agentic AI matter because they are about to transform the way that we do work. They are about to transform the way that science works, and they are about to transform the way that the economy works.
What this course will do is will help you turn this hype into reality, and that means you need to have clear understanding of how these technologies work, what the limitations are, and what the return on investment, what the use case needs to be.
What makes this program different is that other programs will give you the headlines, they'll give you the glamorous headlines, and they'll paint a glamorous picture. But what we're going to do is we're going to go under the hood and we're going to see how this works. And if you really want to use this technology properly, you need to understand how it works.
And it's for good reason that in the program we're coupling both the actual how does this technology work with how do you build it with the very specific how do you make sure it only does what it's meant to do and is safe. Because ultimately only safe innovation will provide long-term value.
And what this program is about is enabling you, the first generation of business leaders, to have access to that technology, to understand how to use it to your best advantage.
What I would love for participants to say at the end of the program, I open up the black box, I now understand what's happening inside, and that has helped me make better decisions about AI.
And when you've completed this program and you go back to your business, you're going to be in a much better position to understand how to leverage these new capabilities that are so important in the modern age.